Hi, this will be the CPS testing on the SRX 5K with one NGS PC card. So let me first show the configuration again. So here's the box we have, one NGS PC module, and also the um, interface port. So the setup is similar to the previous video. Um, uh, we have four groups of ports, and we are going to look at the actually just look at the breaking point setup, right? So there you go, right? Let me just do this. So we have 8 interface module, and there will be set up as 4 pair of server and client. Okay, so the other thing, let's go back. Okay, so and then the other thing is the traffic pattern. So what we're going to do is we are interested in getting like a maximum of 210K collection per second output. Okay, so we will specify this is the flow we are looking at, and then basically and we need to change the traffic application profile. Now the last time is we use a large packet, the 24K, right, for the HTTP traffic pattern. So this one we actually want a lot of a small package. So to create the high number of packet or traffic sending to SRX. So that's why we are using the 1 byte HTTP throughput. Okay, let's close it. And basically, we are done, right? So we are trying to for 210K flow per second or collection per second. Okay, and we can go ahead and run the test. Okay, now actually SRX has a way to also monitor. So if we do a command called security monitoring FPC0, it will give up the CPU utilization. Also at the end you can see it's doing an average of the 96-second windows and gives us the session creation per second. That is actually the CPS we are looking for. Okay, so right now let's look at the test setting up right now. Okay, so actually this is coming up by the test. Now you can see the attempt is going up right now. Okay, so it reached around 210 connection per second. The server is about the same, so we have not seen any failure so far. Okay, so that's a good sign. Okay, so right now you can see yeah, there is about the connection per second is about 210, right? Now another interface we can see, I think, is the TCP chart. Okay, so we can take a look at the TCP chart here. Okay, so start to ramp up, and then this is actually pretty constant. It's as testing the session, and so basically it's telling us the state of the TCP session, and then you can see so far we don't have any failure here. Okay. Okay, so we can look at so the test is about 2.5 minutes, and if we think about SRX is doing the average of a 96-second window is about 60 and 70%. We should get the number from SRX, but right now we can actually take a look. and we can see the CP, and then the rest of SVC is actually pretty busy, right? And this number is actually coming up right now. You can see it's 190K. So, and then if we wait a couple more seconds, 208, right? So if we're taking longer, the average will be more accurate, right? So, and then basically you can see SL is very close to achieving 210. You can see basically it's no packet drop, right? So yeah, so we are around the 96-second window. We can look at it again. Yep, so it's close to 210, right? CPS with not over 90% CPU utilization on the rest of the processor. Okay, so actually this is wrapping up. Okay, so I think basically it has finished, and so there's no more traffic. And we can see the reports. Okay, so we're able to pass the test, and we can also ask it to generate a report here. Yep. Okay. Yeah, so you can see the full creation rate is about 210K.